If you want to control and optimize the production process of wood-based panels, you have to deeply understand this process. My name is Heiko Dömen. I'm professor for wood-based panels, and I'm teaching and doing research in this field for more than 2 decades already. And I'm really excited about understanding and describing the fundamentals relevant during wood-based panel production. If you want to learn about the production process of particle board, MDF or OSB, or if you want to exchange ideas with experts from the industry or from academia, or if you have questions regarding your daily business, you're just right in this training course. Experts from the field will teach you in classroom lectures, and you will also work in small groups in workshops. One of the highlights of this course will be a hands-on computer simulation seminar where you will use 2 different software packages to simulate the production process of wood-based panels. If you register for this module, you will be part of a training course that is unique in the world, that builds on the expertise of people from the industry and from academia, and that will be unforgettable for you as it has been for many participants for more than 10 years.